Hello and welcome. My name is Todd McLeod, and I'm excited to introduce you to the very best programming language I have ever worked with in my life. I first started programming in 1982. Since then, I've worked with many different languages, and there has been no other language which has impressed me more than the Go programming language. I think one of the things which speaks the most highly about the Go programming language are the people who created it. To me, this is the best endorsement for the Go programming language because Go came out, it's an open source project, and it came out of Google, which to me is one of the best software engineering firms to have ever existed. In addition, the individuals at Google who created Go are some luminaries. They are some luminaries in computer science. So Ken Thompson, Rob Pike, Robert Grissamer are people who contributed to things like UTF-8 and the C programming language. I mean, like the C programming language, that's like one of the most influential languages ever in computer science. And so this exact same people who helped create UTF-8 and the C programming language decided that, you know what, and I wasn't there, but this is my speculation. And of course, obviously if you're going to create something new, you create something new because you need it. They decided that they needed a new language, and they needed a new language to take advantage of today's computers, today's hardware, multiple cores, to be able to do concurrency easily and to have it baked right into the language and to have it be able to run at a very lightweight cost without taking up a lot of memory. So Go is an incredible language, and I'm very excited to introduce you to it. I currently teach at California State University Fresno Computer Science, where I teach web programming, and I also teach at the local community college, Fresno City College, where I'm tenured faculty, where I teach other computer courses, including web programming. In all of my web programming courses, I've been using Go. Go to me is a vastly superior language to any other choice which is out there. So I'm really glad you're here. I totally commend you for choosing Go, or for considering it even. And if you do choose it, right on for you. I totally commend you for that, right? Because it is a language which is going to serve you well. It has it has a lot of really big companies which are buying into it and which are currently using it. I'm going to cover that in the first language because why, or the first one of the first lectures, because why learn a language if there aren't people out there already using it? So it is a new language, but it's gaining a lot of momentum, and it already has a lot of really big companies that are embracing it very strongly because they see how advantageous it is. So yeah, it's going to be a great course. I'm excited to teach you about Go. It's a great language to learn, and this course will be valuable to you whether you're a beginner or an expert. So I'm gearing this course to teach everybody about Go. So if you're an expert, you might want to jump over a couple of things or fast forward through a few videos. But even if you are expert, you're going to gain really valuable insights into how the Go programming language works. There's a lot of internals to know about Go, which will help you out. And if you're a beginner, I'm going to build you up from the ground up. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know so that you could take this language, which is an incredible low-level, systems-level programming language, which has a really powerful standard library with a ton of high-level functionality. I'm going to teach you how to use a language which if you didn't get good instruction, might be difficult to sort of understand. But because I've been teaching it for a while, and I figured out how to convey certain concepts to make it graspable for students, I know I'm going to be able to convey that to you because I've already conveyed it to a bunch of other students and helped them get their heads around how to use this language. So programming is an awesome hobby. It's an awesome occupation. It allows you to create things, which is just absolutely amazing, and it has incredible job prospects. So learning about programming, becoming a programmer, if you're just getting into it, it's a fantastic choice. And you're in very good hands by learning the Go programming language. It's a very good language to learn. And you're in good hands with me because I've already taught a bunch of students before and I know how to convey a bunch of this stuff. So once again, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I look forward to teaching you Go. Last thing I'm going to say is I'm going to teach it to you with a lot of hands-on activity. Because the only way you can learn to program, it's kind of like playing a musical instrument, is by practicing, by actually doing it, right? You can watch videos all day long about playing an instrument, and you could read theory about playing an instrument, but until you play that instrument, right, that's the only time you're going to learn. So I'm going to teach you in a really hands-on way and give you a lot of practical examples to work on. So that's the sort of gist of this class and the lay of the land with this language. And you can tell I'm pretty enthusiastic about it. So this is going to be great. If you're new to programming, man, you're in a good spot. And if you're a seasoned programmer, I welcome you to give this course a try. And I guarantee you're going to learn some awesome stuff about Go. And if you don't, you got a money back guarantee. You could just say, you know what, I didn't get anything out of it, give me my money back, and you'll totally get your money back. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. You're going to see why Go. You're going to see why Go is such a great language to program in. All right, I look forward to working with you.